How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So, gotta fix the trailer. Let me get up on here. So yeah, this trailer is my hauler. So PJ Trailers, 18,000 pound GVW. Simple. So the problem I'm having is these tie down points right here. So you can see it's nice and well worn. The trailer, when I tie up to my equipment, the trailer tends to pull up, and I can show you why it does that. If you guys look at the construction here, this is just thin angle iron here, and here's the frame. And there's like no tie between. So I'm gonna tie some metal here to here, just to keep it from bending up. All right, so let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld these pretty much right in there like that, vertically. So it's decent, light, nice snug fit. Let me go underneath here and show you if I can do that single-handedly. Oh, excuse me. So it's going to fit in there like such. So let me get a nice fitment, so we'll get it all tacked up in there and go from there. All right. All right. So, got a little meltage right there, but that's okay. All right, so you guys see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there we go. Decently melted and hot schnozzed in there. So that will prevent this whole side from coming up when I tie it down. So that's tied to the heavy duty frame. I'm gonna do a couple of other things and we'll call it good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll weld this little guy right here. So that matches the other side, because when I put my roller here, sometimes the roller fits perfectly in between these two sides. This is just going to be a roller stop. So we're just going to have that come out in there. And yeah, so my roller can only go so far without getting cockeyed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so you guys see that there. Just tacked it on there, nothing major. Just wanted to prevent you know, some major other stuff. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, the I don't give an F spray paint job. Yeah. All right, now do the other side. Oh, that feels oh so good. Yup, runs and everything. Oh, slather it in there. Yep. Whoa, runny. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just simple little upgrades to this thing again. Had to fix the two ends from coming up when I was tying up, because it was, I mean, the rub rail here is just attached to the top of the beam. So this is a big old angle iron to the beam, and this whole thing just pulls out when you pull this up. So I needed to attach it. Needed that. So it's always something. Also, I found a bunch of rust between the main frame and the angle iron where they just stitch welded it on there. And so I think I'm just gonna put fluid film and hose it in there, because it's on the rear side more than the front side. So I'm just gonna do that, see how it works, just put some schmoo in there. So yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and as usual, aloha.